tucked away 7 minutes from town in a mixture of fenced pastures and oak-studded land, you will find this gently rolling 5.01-acre property. There are currently 2 homes established, one 2-bedroom 2-bath 1910 square foot stick-built in need of repair, and a 1981 Redman Manufactured home that is a 3-bedroom 2-bath, 1809 square feet, established as a hardship. The site is gorgeous with nice views north-northeast facing and ready for a makeover. Complete with in-ground pool. Bring your hammer and vision to make this your own.